Hello everyone. Question is modules must have a link type. Which one of the following is a list of link types? Option A list of records, separator, catalog type, roles. Option B assessment, list of records, separator, timeline page. Option C list of records, content page, order, URL from arguments. Option D assessment, list of records, content page, roles. Correct answer is option B. Question is which one of the following is part of the client-side scripting API? Option A workflow.scratchpad. Option B glide user object within bracket G underscore user. Option C current and previous objects. Option D glide system object within bracket GS. Correct answer is option B. Question is which object can you use in a scheduled script execution, that is scheduled job script? Option A glide record and current. Option B glide user and glide record. Option C glide system and glide record. Option D glide system and current. Correct answer is option C. Question is which one of the following is true for glide user within bracket G underscore user methods? Option A can be used in client scripts and UI policies only. Option B can be used in business rules only. Option C can be used in client scripts, UI policies and UI actions. Option D can be used in business rules and scripts includes. Correct answer is option C. Question is which of the following statements is true for the form designer? Option A to add a field to the form layout, drag the field from the Fields tab to the desired destination on the form. Option B to create a new field on a forms table, drag the appropriate data type from the Field Types tab to the form and then configure the new field. Option C to remove a field from the form layout, hover over the field to enable the action buttons and select the delete, that is X button. Option D to add a section to the form layout, drag it from the Field Types tab to the desired destination on the form. Now the answer options are option A, B, C and option D. Option B, B, C and D. Option C, A, B and D. Option D, A, B and C. Correct answer is option D. Question is which of the following methods prints a message on a blue background to the top of the current form by default? Option A G underscore form dot add info message function. Option B G underscore form dot add info message function. Option C G underscore form dot show field message function. Option D G underscore form dot show field message function. Correct answer is option B. Question is there is a basic strategy when creating a UTIS scripts include identify the step that does not belong. Option A identify the table. Option B script the functions. Option C create a class. Option D create a prototype object from the new class. Correct answer is option A. Question is in a business rule, which one of the following returns true if the currently logged in user has the admin role? Option A, G underscore form dot has role exactly within bracket within single quote admin. Option B, GS dot has role within bracket within single quotes admin. Option C, G underscore form dot has role within bracket within single quote admin. Option D, GS dot has role exactly within bracket within single quotes admin. Correct answer is option B. Question is, when a ServiceNow instance requests information from a web service, ServiceNow is the web service. Option A, publisher. Option B, specialist. Option C, provider. Option D, consumer. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following objects does a display business rule not have access to? Option A, previous. Option B, glide system. Option C, G underscore scratchpad. Option D, current. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which one of the following is not a method used for logging messages in a server-side script for a privately scoped application? Option A, gs.log function. Option B, gs.error function. Option C, gs.warn function. Option D, gs.debug function. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what syntax is used in a record producer script to access values from record producer form fields? Option A, producer.field underscore name. Option B, producer.variable name. Option C, current.variable underscore name. Option D, current.field underscore name. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which one of the following is true for a script include with a protection policy value of protected? Option A, any user with the protected underscore edit role can see and edit the script include. Option B, the protection policy option can only be enabled by a user with the admin role. Option C, the protection policy is applied only if the glide.app.apply underscore protection system property value is true. Option D, the protection policy is applied only if the application is downloaded from the ServiceNow App Store. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which one of the following is true regarding application scope? Option A, all applications are automatically part of the global scope. Option B, applications downloaded from third-party ServiceNow application developers cannot have naming conflicts. Option C, any developer can edit any application. Option D, developers can choose the prefix for a scope's namespace. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which object can be used in inbound action scripts? Option A, current and previous. Option B, current and email. Option C, current and event. Option D, current and producer. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which application access configuration fields are not available if the can read configuration field is not selected? Option A, all access to this table via web services. Option B, can create, can update and can delete. Option C, can read, does not affect the availability of other application access fields. Option D, allow configuration. Correct answer is option B. Question is which one of the following client-side scripts apply to record producers? Option A catalog client scripts and catalog UI policies. Option B UI scripts and UI actions. Option C UI scripts and record producer scripts. Option D client scripts and UI policies. Correct answer is option A. Question is from the list below identify one reason an application might not be a good fit with ServiceNow. The application option A needs workflow to manage processes. Option B requires as-is use of low-level programming libraries. Option C requires reporting capabilities. Option D uses forms extensively to interact with data. Correct answer is option B. Question is which one of the following is not a UI action type? Option A list choice. Option B form button. Option C list banner button. Option D form choice. Correct answer is option D. Question is when creating new application files in a scoped application, cross-scope access is turned on by default in which of the following? Option A REST messages. Option B table. Option C script include. Option D workflow. Correct answer is option B. Question is modules must have a link type. Which one of the following is a list of link types? Option A list of records separator catalog type roles. Option B assessment list of records separator timeline page. Option C list of records contained page order URL from arguments. Option D assessment list of records contained page roles. Correct answer is option B. Question is which one of the following is not a UI action type? Option A list choice. Option B form button. Option C list banner button. Option D form choice. Correct answer is option D. Question is in an email notification which one of the following is not true for the weight field? Option A only notifications with the highest weight for the same record and recipients are sent. Option B a weight value of 0 means that no email should be sent. Option C the weight value defaults to 0. Option D a weight value of 0 means the notification is always sent when the notifications when to send criteria is met. Correct answer is option B. Question is which one of the following is not a debugging state strategy for client-side scripts? Option A add info message function. Option B field watcher. Option C JSLog function. Option D JS.log function. Correct answer is option D. Question is which objects can be used in inbound action scripts? Option A current and previous. Option B current and email. Option C current and event. Option D current and producer. Correct answer is option B. Question is how many applications menus can an application have? Option A 3. 1 for an application's user modules, 1 for an application's administrator modules, and 1 for the ServiceNow administrators modules. Option B, as many as the application design requires. Option C, 2. One for an application's user modules and one for an application's administrator modules. Option D, 1, which is used for all application modules. Correct answer is option B. Question is, what is a module? Option A, the functionality within an application menu, such as opening a page in the content frame or a separate tab or window. Option B, a group of menus or pages providing related information and functionality to end users. Option C, a way of helping users quickly access information and services by filtering the items in the application navigator. Option D, a web-based way of providing software to end users. Correct answer is option C. Question is, when a ServiceNow instance requests information from a web service, ServiceNow is the web service. Option A, publisher. Option B, specialist. Option C, provider. Option D, consumer. Correct answer is option D. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. In case of any query, please reach out to GuruForCertification@gmail.com. Now the question is, when working in the Form Designer, configuring the label of a field in a child table changes the label on which tables? Option A, base table. Option B, child table. Option C, parent table. Option D, all tables. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which one of the following client-side scripts apply to record producers? Option A, catalog client scripts and catalog UI policies. Option B, UI scripts and UI actions. Option C, UI scripts and record producer scripts. Option D, client scripts and UI policies. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which one of the following is true for a script include with a protection policy value of protected? Option A, any user with the protected underscore edit role can see and edit the script include. Option B, the protection policy option can only be enabled by a user with the admin role. Option C, the protection policy is applied only if the glide.app.apply underscore protection system property value is true. Option D, the protection policy is applied only if the application is downloaded from the ServiceNow App Store. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which one of the following is not required to link a ServiceNow application to a Git repository? Option A, password. Option B, URL. Option C, username. Option D, application name. Correct answer is option D. Question is, one of the uses of the ServiceNow REST API Explorer is option A, practice using REST to interact with the public data providers. Option B, find resources on the web for learning about REST. Option C, convert SOAP message functions to REST methods. Option D, create sample code for sending REST requests to ServiceNow. Correct answer is option D. Question is, when configuring an access control which has no condition or script, Which one of the following statement is not true? Table option A, table dot will grant access to every field in a record. Option B, table dot none will grant access to every record on the table. Option C, table dot field will grant access to a specific field in a record. Option D, table dot ID will grant access to a specific record on the table. Correct answer is option D. Question is, how must application access be configured to prevent all other private application scopes from creating configuration records on an application's data tables? Option A, you must create access controls to prevent all other application scopes from creating configuration records on an application's data tables rather than using application access. Option B, set the accessible from field value to all application scopes and deselect the can create option. Option C, set the accessible from field value to this application scope only and deselect the allow access to this table via web services option. Option D, set the accessible from field value to this application scope only. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which source control operation is available from both Studio and the Git repository? Option A, create branch. Option B, apply remote changes. Option C, stash local changes. Option D, edit repository configurations. Correct answer is option A. Question is, identify the incorrect statement about delegated development in ServiceNow. Option A, administrators can grant non-admin users the ability to develop global applications. Option B, administrators can specify which application file types the developer can access. Option C, administrators can grant the developer access to script fields. Option D, administrators can grant the developer access to security records. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the source control operation used to store local changes on an instance for later application is called option A, branch. Option B, tag. Option C, stash. Option D, update set. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which of the following features are available to global applications? Choose two options. Option A, automated test framework. Option B, source control. Option C, delegated development. Option D, flow designer. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is, application developers configure ServiceNow using industry standard JavaScript to option A, enable the right click to edit the context menus on applications in the navigator. Option B, extend and add functionality. Option C, customize the organization's company logo and banner text. Option D, configure the outgoing email display name. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which one of the following is the fastest way to create and configure a record producer? Option A, create a catalog category, open the category and select the Add New Record Producer button. Option B. Use the record producer module, then add and configure all variables manually. Option C. Open the table in the table records and select the Add to Service Catalog related link. Option D. Open the tables form, right-click on the form header and select the Create Record Producer menu item. Correct answer is option C. Question is, it is best practice to define the business requirements and the processes an application will manage as part of the application development plan. What are some of the considerations to document as part of the business process? Option A. Business problem, data input output, users, stakeholders, and process steps. Option B. Business problem, data input output, project schedule, and process steps. Option C. Business problem, data input output, users, stakeholders, and database capacity. Option D. Business problem, users, stakeholders, available licenses, and database capacity. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which platform feature can be used to determine the relationships between field in an import set table to field in an existing ServiceNow table? Option A. Business Service Management Map. Option B. Data Sources. Option C. Transform Map. Option D. CI Relationship Builder. Correct answer is option C. Question is, for what process step could a mind map come into play? Option A. Objectives. Option B. Swim lanes. Option C. None of the listed options. Option D. Creating a document. Correct answer is option D. Question is, data policies are for form views. State true or false. Correct answer is false. Question is, in an email, how do you call a parameter from an event that invoked the email? Option A. None of the listed options. Option B. Property. Option C. Event.parm. Option D. Current property. Correct answer is option C. Question is, with regard to email, which of the below statements about the recipients is correct? Option A. It is a static list of users and groups determined when the notification is created. Option B. It is a dynamic list of users and groups determined when the email is sent. Option C. It is a list of email addresses determined when the notification is created. Option D. It is a list of users and groups determined dynamically in the script. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following statements does not apply when extending an existing table? Option A. You should develop or write the required. Option B. All of the parent table records are copied to the new table. Option C. You must script and configure all required behaviors. Option D. You should make use of fields that already exist in another. Correct answer is option B and option C. Question is, which of the following are legitimate form annotation types? Option A. Text. Option B. Section details. Option C. Info box blue. Option D. Info box yellow. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, how can we add the data option in ServiceNow tables databases? Option A, import sets. Option B, Java code. Option C, using forms. Option D, custom UI pages. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, which of the following is true about module permissions? Option A, you can configure the modules which will appear in the application navigator. Option B, modules are to be displayed even though the logged in user does not have the menu. Option C, they control access to modules through roles. Option D, none of the listed options. Question is, which option is not present when we are linking an application from the source control? Option A, URL. Option B, username. Option C, application name. Option D, password. Question is, which of the following is not supported by Flow Designer? Option A, call a serve flow from a flow. Option B, test a flow with rollback. Option C, use delegated developer. Option D, run a flow from a metric-based trigger. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following cannot be debugged using the field watcher? Option A, business rules. Option B, script includes. Option C, client scripts. Option D, access controls. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a scoped application containing Flow Designer content dedicated to a particular application is called option A, spoke. Option B, bundle. Option C, action. Option D, flow. Correct answer is option A. Our part 2 of the ServiceNow CAD will be released within a week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the update. Stay tuned and keep learning with us. Thank you.